So here we have a 97 Dodge Ram 2500. Customer complaint is truck is all over the road. He can't steer it. Very difficult to keep control of. So we checked out the front end and we found that the ball joints were worn out. And we replaced them with, best quality Moog ball joints there are. But unfortunately, it didn't solve the problem the customer had, because Moog has kind of let their suspension parts go to crap. So we're going to prove to you why Moog has dropped the ball on this truck, and explain to you how we figured out that it was their parts that caused this problem. Okay, now here on this side of the truck, we have the Moog ball joints. Okay, two brand new Moog ball joints that are hooked up to this truck, to the knuckle. As you can see, the rotor's not on, the axle's not on. Okay, and when we try and turn this, it is almost impossible. So we found a bulletin on it. Stating that these aftermarket ball joints are causing big issues. And the spec to turn this has got to be 25 pounds and under. Okay, and this is after days of chasing this down and replacing practically the entire front end, because we were chasing this faulty Moog ball joints. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put a scale on it and see what it takes to turn these Moog ball joints. Okay, notice that the scale, how far it's going back, and the knuckle is not turning. There it goes, the knuckle finally turned. Okay, and we're at almost 80 pounds. Okay, almost 80 pounds. You see the black dial? That's what it took to turn it. All right, very disappointed in Moog. I don't understand what they're thinking. Okay, it caused a very dangerous condition. Okay, now after we found this bulletin, we went over to Dodge and we bought this ball joint kit, okay, from Dodge, because they know that there's an aftermarket problem with Moog and practically every other ball joint, and they don't seem to want to fix it. Okay, so we're going to do the same pull test, but if you notice, the rotor's on here, the caliper's on here. Okay, everything's in this. Okay, so it's going to make it a little bit more difficult to pull this, but let's see what it does. Okay, let me show you. The scale is at 0. Okay, and it pulled. Okay, now let's see where we're at. Look at that. We are just above 15 pounds of pressure to pull this with the brand new Dodge ball joints and the service kit that fixes this. Fixes the Moog problem solver. Okay, because Moog's problem solver created this problem. Very disappointed in Moog. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them again. I don't understand. They say they're better than aftermarket. They say they fix the problems aftermarket creates, but yet this truck has cost us countless hours of diagnostic, and it also cost us countless money using Moog parts to try and chase down their mistake. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but after seeing this, I don't think I'll ever use a Moog ball joint again. Kind of disappointing, but we'll see what happens. We're going to put this on Moog's Twitter, and we're going to see what happens from there. Let's see if they contact us or if they even care.